Sikani prepare no. Edu wan hwe edu baby edu. Ba wan baby edu akwa wi. Baby edu akwa where sikani prepare o. E sikani prepare. Baby edu akwa wi ni say oh president okra dey so me man $5 million amawie no. Me man $40 million amawie. Woman president $5 million amawie no. Na Akufo-Addo to no $5 million president. Baby sir. President Akufo-Addo to no $5 million president.
A key question.
Yes. President Akufo-Addo to no $5 million you want to say president on what bra o say you man $5 million amawie no obi on fighting for on o say on peketa se chane proye wo mine mu no mo no bo chiriketa se chane proye me minister bi ka tell me say oluma we dey only one government ma yiwadi o na so ai
enra
yes
on yeah changes aba
see wo for boy jibe plati and am say Akufo-Addo no bi ka tell me say papa we mo we ya next year mutukro mo be yi amana ka be 3 because
nyano na o ka say oyi wa ya nye careful criteria show
ya wa ya president to us say boys no krom won pese me yi omo
yes o there be o
yeah encounter because one wa fighting for corruption it is a wo kotan ba bi na wo ka say president Akufo-Addo your man $5 million for your coup your man vice $3 million for your coup your man minister $2 million for your coup cause in ntechi e your concept party na wo ko yi kire sa fake investors because enkofo no from day one I was shown who so mu fake moko 1 wo mama moko 2 wo mama and the 10 was say so anya sika ni berebere ka wo say wo ja asem no kura chidi and I report to the police for say enkofo bi say no mo person mo ye na police for mram etinka ba ya no ka police for wo mu dada wo one report to asem na ma police and akwasi wo ye akode $65 million year two Robert Tuntumi ma no was say say ba no was say ba no say ba na say ai kwasi to mo na sika no wa wo dia enko ba bia wa usika $65,000 wow stars 4 months in the Tuamuka your 2 place in Naka with Tuamuka the team wow stars I'm not talking about Sikana or G you know but me kasa e dey fan who say poya say no one ma Sikana di wonima kwa koduru no enye because the wine football mu no one hwe de nim kwase be pro o pedigree wo football mu wo soro what I say because we yabu too much wo kasa toto kwase wo opekasa wo kasa na the kasa ne de na dura cheni football people for money tell be am hwe de be am say am ka kire mo hwe kwase nyankachi no kasa say football for no mo ho ba asem a say wonya no we ya mane nko kan kire mo say president to cry say president aye say president and do ka say president kai no mane for president de ni twato wo say what kwase nyankachi nhia na
di komo bo
kura sa komo for business bi hu sa na woni ba bi akwasi free ba na ono no anase ni nim say yes na anase to wobeboa anase nim say ono no kon say so sa se bi nsem no so eti no woni ba bi akwasi free banti no akwasi nyantachi ka no enya de so no support sa we no kra vice president say eye no won say akwasi nyantachi use wono vice any president did civil amount for
now no onim in official capacity
of course
say wo mo atena se ba
ko oh na so ni dey normal
wasi so mo tena se di nko
ma panyi do mama te akunya so akwisi nyantachi no nko no nko no teacher every president call president one ma e no Martin what I say because some kokodi nkomo blasters ana 20 ekwaje we buy ana 20 world cup buy so kwasi nyantachi sata na the late Atamos nyankopon for the currency or the cup no ko kire na meboa omunya opportunity call but when opportunity ni o ma panyi di nkomo no does it mean say you can use on my Panyini's name to collect money from some people. Be and I say you can use on my Panyini's name to your friends to do some mafia things. Be a dear Mguasebe Ghana. Where in Yankopon Mamu and I can ask Musu Timiko record on my Panina. I can ask them and come my Panika, come upon you and Muguasi. Kemaka my Panin was what them with you. Meanwhile, the president is fighting against corruption. And to consider Tony the Andram Korea, you know, Minam because I will see big for Trasso, Ebeba. Etina be say we analysis am me see me it was say no wa ma me pass minya time na me fo nyam analysis dem hu ye the afoto am be say sikani bire we ejino wo afa
all right na ye bie mu said ye sit here I hope said ye see aye no ano people who also do ultimately say proper analysis of the situation na fe ye hu said ye be see bia we should look at the bigger picture we should look at ekwan ye be see in all this is for the growth of the game. In all this is for the growth of the game. Let us not think about a particular personality to, just project
of course
a particular personality say bia ye do na be sure there be that is not it nti ebe enkomo no ani ye atwetwe abedu em say we de moboso kakra bi na ade be so
moboso no kra de na yenye ye ondura na ase bai o de yenhwe we no enu ani say pictures ana ase bai no oba honom no de wa ye si twa na ase no enti no
eni ma Ghana for nkasa
ah so mbe so mu de wa na ase ba no say no si bai eni Ghanaian si bi mu a endura so na wo hobi wo ye bi mu interview bi mu be kasai o ma dwen check be me
okay eni bobo no wie na fi ama Ghana for nkasa
enti no yenhwe moboso no endura anase eba no say no si baaye aha anase na na chese endura no Tony Omoba ne say na esi tie ahwefo amore no anase oba say no si ye dey osi eba the tiger eye na anase me ya hunu tie we no me ya hunu but jodi animu no de ma me hwe jodi animu no de bi me ya hu anase ma me hwe anase me huna me huno because baako no odi kan baaye no wu na utumi say yes anase nie we su tumu wu utumi say anase nie dabi de odi animu no nya anase de odi animu no enya anase because anase won so sa enyo anase nie we na ya anase ankasa no ai enyo no no di akire no because anase wonye tietia sa wo wate anase ne di mfimfin no nti on na eye de ekono aha we a time a anase ewuramu na wono so aba behwe send a video no esi ekoye no ene ye de abahwefo we Accra International Conference Center endra ena ose number 12 oyi ye de kire amanfo hono ma se Ghana fo ba pa obi abebo nani akohoma Accra International Conference Center edino obi edi nkomo endra mabai emema bai na se enye bete nipa don bai pa haji afo nso ba bi haji akande omunyina be bai ebe hwe ema we director yanhwe Jerome Ochre oye football people for no waka ho bi no uko football made in Ghana wo dreams way or say journalist for no dodo na kasaya yanhwe dan kokoya bu amu na bai obia ye den e kire na adwen e refa nas ensem no ho
onim mire ho and the entire mire ho no enema mehu wa ha no e wom se yatin sem bebre se the footballer ye bokro no wom referees ACC teams administrators ni biji bribe but manje ndi say nete de mi hu wa ha say referee timi ji aponche ACC team bi referee timi ji sika e ma team bi lusu a ene na agro na edi yen a ye tie akire ye kasa ye trofa ho no da me say jai kra na ye pe bi fufro ye because de omo ye akire say nsema na ye ka de na ye tro de na ye feel say ye boama football na nyi no omo eti ho no nyesa na omo hu no and areho me de me kan say oman we oman a ye fa issues of integrity very serious nipa ye hu omo video mu no me kan hu bia kan ya kan me tro say football aduma no majai me nwanwa ne ma ne bi ma me hu dwuri me in fact edu ba bi na kan me pese video no kra end because me hwe no asana mani awudodo say ensam ni bi wo ho a ebi no maka say entrapment me hu entrapment bia o go ebi wo ho kra ye mbisa no hwe ono na oka and any wu ye ferry say na ye mpanyufo ni bi adwenfa ye football ho enya dia efe kra
my expectation is the T say FA president can say or the $5 million come on company
we and central for ni bi mo adwenkyira na wo mo kire Jerome Ochre ra ho what I say dan kokuye bo aso na no nso kasa wo no na we ensem a empanyimfo bi mo omo nso ba ye a wo mo no wo mo pe football but omo nye football people for omo wura mu enso kire o madwen edifa ndra de course so e wo Accra International Conference Center no
Honorable.
Mensaka na Abuaje da Costa musician na meka se wo hu nyom ye pa enai wono so abehwe bia na ntwetwe nkomo ewo Ago TV so na ye misa ne se de hu ye no etene sen na nye bia ne betima koya nim se oman bra ni abre se ye kokata se preye ene kankan ba mu akwaba e ba Ago TV so
mejo so buru
ye to nkan che
yo ye wo system num na se siasa mentia pokakra na enema mehuno ano odin ye esanze se panese wo ye exam skra na obia or head of the department no or started this kind of practice. In fact, Emma Omani into me him. A shocking story which has really I saw on the television. Because from A to Z, there has been a lot of problems within the Sports Council, the GFA, and the FA as a whole. On the other side of it, it is beyond my understanding, because Nyantakyi has been somebody who has been in the pragmatic side of football association for quite a long time. Because he started from the northern side, the west, upper east or upper west, around that area, and tremendously has worked. But honestly, I am not okay with what I saw. Eventuality has taken place, because where he's taking Ghana to is a bit something which is beyond my understanding.
I don't know, the only way I know sana na wo hwe ni musie besie na anya bia the only way na ma hwan wo so kakra.
I was super as a Ghana, we have a long way to go. The football is the passion for the nation. It's like people are just playing with the emotions of people. So I think it's the right thing to do, and we see to it that prosecution should take place. People should be jailed for what they are doing.
I don't know if you are MPP ni mapa. The only year they are what year question Nyantakyi what the mampanyini na be dia kire and to na be fakabo ministers on person mo control Ghana na de omo pe no mo ye no awoso kakra amowanya nu ho so wo MPP amayoko no
de di kan mamenda wan say de wo mun say uhwe video no na ekopem ba bia Nyantakyi edi nkomo no na me ne nukura nim say wo MPP ni a wo beboto wo ye Ghana ni a wo rebeho aka kuma bi na kan so ye ahinime nemo omampani etimi kasa wieye no ana menya me honti ase na Kwesi Nyantakyi ebia nanum no odwa anu ntina mpanifo ato amase adifo so mu hwehwemu ebese hwehwemu kwaso na ye edadi se de aka no na se bi nanum no odwa na se asempa no aka no nemo na bio ma minsi so nka se uhwe fonia sini no na hyase efi Kwesi Nyantakyi die no na se wa nya careful a wo ye Ghana ni a wo rebeho wo ye MPP ni a wo beboto nemo omampani kasa ye no manya akumato yam bi se ebia na Kwesi Nyantakyi na nanu bi na no ototo bi akeke
Twensa can lead producer mabedwam ewo Adom TV so obanyam akwaba
Ejamejoso
so wonya kwanya ahwe bi eto sign de na we expect no and na hu ye.
In fact, I came without any expectations, because now rumors a doors in town. Usually, because I'm a media person and I'm a critical person in the media with regards to my show, I'm a person who exactly what is on there before I could comment. I came without any expectations.
As a media man, do you know who say Kwesi Nyantakyi and MPP abano or more to be say on Babo my Ghana for man?
In fact, so what share the sequence now. If you now who say, Sikana Kwesi Nyantakyi who I know. Manija and Numukakra. It could be Yenna Namekachi will be what to mention. I thought as a Kabia be when a bit young Wakaka Bikura, if you are any panogra on any Kazanagra, on any relationship of any sort. But me, I'm not here to defend anybody. Minim Kwesi Nyantakyi a political affiliations. But I can tell you that the only thing I gathered from this is that greed can kill you.
Fantastic. Sikani brebre. Diedu bedru no. Ena na o kanu sikani bre baby adu bedru no ena na omo keka no ohwa na baby edru no na ekan na asefem ewo de ndra si tese Kwesi Nyantakyi be se ntwa amanfo to was se sika de se ba na be se kai Kwesi tobu sika no dia politin bag ni fruto no wasan fa na de no wafa tumbam no wafa tum na me se ei